तुमसे मिलने का मन कर रहा है। I feel like meeting you. I feel like meeting you. वो अभी भी बुरे दौर से गुजर रहा है। He is still going through a bad phase. He is still going through a bad phase. यह मेरा अपना फैसला है। This is my own decision. This is my own decision. तुम बहुत आलसी हो गए हो। You have become very lazy. You have become very lazy. तुम बहुत पतले हो गए हो। You have become very skinny. You have become very skinny. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो गए हो। You have become very rude. You have become very rude. प्रवेश द्वार से दूर खड़े रहो। Stand away from the entrance. Stand away from the entrance. कपड़ों पर इस्त्री कर दो। Iron the clothes. कपड़ों पर इस्त्री कर दो। Iron the clothes. कपड़े वॉशिंग मशीन में डालो। Put the clothes in the washing machine. Put the clothes in the washing machine. सूची में आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name on the list? What is your name on the list? वह आदमी अपने शब्दों का पक्का है। He is a man of words. He is a man of words. मैं होटल में अपनी चाबी भूल गया। I forgot my keys in the hotel. I forgot my keys in the hotel. हमेशा खुश रहने की कोशिश करें। Always try to be happy. Always try to be happy. अपना खाना ठीक से खाओ। Eat your lunch properly. Eat your lunch properly. अपने सपनों को कभी नहीं छोड़े। Never give up on your dreams. Never give up on your dreams. वाक्य को ध्यान से पढ़े। Read the sentence carefully. Read the sentence carefully. क्या आप इस कुर्सी पर आराम महसूस कर रहे हैं? Are you feeling comfortable in this chair? Are you feeling comfortable in this chair? आशा है कि आप सभी ने शो का आनंद लिया। Hope you all enjoyed the show. Hope you all enjoyed the show. क्या आप आवाज कम कर सकते हैं? Can you turn the volume down? Can you turn the volume down? कृपया जितनी जल्दी हो सके चले जाओ। Please leave as soon as possible. Please leave as soon as possible. मैं अपना सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रदर्शन करने की कोशिश करूंगा। I will try to give my best performance. I will try to give my best performance. क्या मैं यहाँ तुम्हारे साथ रह सकती हूँ? Can I stay here with you? Can I stay here with you? सीढ़ियों से धीरे धीरे चले। Walk slowly from the stairs. Walk slowly from the stairs. तुम कल क्यों नहीं आए? Why were you absent yesterday? Why were you absent yesterday? आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। Thank you very much. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। Thank you very much. मुझे यह पोशाक पसंद है। I like this dress. मुझे यह पोशाक पसंद है। I like this dress. कृपया अपना बैग ठीक से पैक करें। Please pack your bags properly. Please pack your bags properly. मुझे किताब पढ़ने में 2 दिन लगे। It took me 2 days to read the book. It took me 2 days to read the book. मुझे आदेश देने का आपको कोई अधिकार नहीं है। You have no right to order me. You have no right to order me. क्या आप उनसे बात नहीं करते हैं? Don't you talk to him? Don't you talk to him? मुझे आइसक्रीम दिलाओ। Get me आइसक्रीम। मुझे आइसक्रीम दिलाओ। Get me आइसक्रीम। माफ़ करना मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया। Sorry, it escaped from my mind. Sorry, it escaped from my mind. हम लगभग 5 बजे पहुँचे। We reached at about 5 o'clock. We reached at about 5 o'clock. तुम्हारे मुंह से प्याज की गंध आ रही है। Your mouth is smelling of onion. Your mouth is smelling of onion. अब बात को ज़्यादा बढ़ाओ मत। Don't stretch the matter further. Don't stretch the matter further. मुझे वही मिला जो मैं चाहता था। I got what I want. I got what I want. वह अभी तक पहुंचा ही नहीं। He hasn't arrived yet. He hasn't arrived yet. यहाँ कोई कुछ भी बताने को तैयार नहीं है। No one is ready to tell us anything here. No one is ready to tell us anything here. इससे ज़्यादा मैं और कुछ नहीं कह सकता। I can't say more than this. I can't say more than this. मैं इसे आप ही के बारे में बता रही थी। I was telling him about you. I was telling him about you. मुझसे चालाकी मत करो। Don't get smart with me. Don't get smart with me. मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता। No one can stop me. मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता। No one can stop me. मुझे तुम्हारी हरकतें पसंद नहीं है। I don't like your doings. I don't like your doings. वह आपसे झूठ बोल रहा है। He is lying to you. He is lying to you. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में चिंतित हूँ। I am worried about you. I am worried about you. मेरे ख्याल से तुम सही हो। I think you are right. I think you are right. तुम परेशान दिख रहे हो। You look upset. तुम परेशान दिख रहे हो। You look upset. वह काबू में नहीं है। He is out of hand. वह काबू में नहीं है। He is out of hand. क्या तुम मेरा एक काम करोगे? Will you do me a favor? Will you do me a favor? डिनर में क्या है? What's for dinner? डिनर में क्या है? What's for dinner? क्या आपको यह पसंद है? Do you like it? क्या आपको यह पसंद है? Do you like it? तुमने यह क्यों किया? Why did you do it? तुमने यह क्यों किया? Why did you do it? मेरी नज़रों से दूर हो जाओ। Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. लेकिन मेरी मदद के लिए किसी ने हाथ नहीं बढ़ाया। But no one extended a hand to help me. But no one extended a hand to help me. किताब हाथों हाथ बिक गया। The book sold out instantly. The book sold out instantly. मेरी किस्मत तुम्हारे हाथ में है। My fate is in your hand. My fate is in your hand. तुम यहीं रुको, मैं अभी आई। You stay here, I will be right back. You stay here, I will be right back. मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताता हूँ. Let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing. मुझे बहुत जोर की भूख लगी है. I am feeling very hungry. I am feeling very hungry. क्या खाना बन गया है? Is the dinner ready? क्या खाना बन गया है? Is the dinner ready? बात को हंसी में मत उड़ाओ. Don't laugh away the matter. Don't laugh away the matter. सुनी सुनाई बात पर भरोसा मत करो. Don't trust on hearsay. Don't trust on hearsay. तुम सही में छुपे रुस्तम हो. You are such a dark horse. You are such a dark horse. वह जोर जोर से खराटे ले रहा था. He was snoring loudly. He was snoring loudly. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा छींकें आ रही है. I am sneezing a lot. I am sneezing a lot. मेरी तबीयत दिन ब दिन बिगड़ती जा रही है. My health is worse day by day. My health is worse day by day. काश कोई मुझसे बात करता. I wish someone talked to me. I wish someone talked to me. मैसेज करने का आपका तरीका ही अलग है. Your way of texting is different. Your way of texting is different. इस अवसर को मत छोड़ो. Don't miss this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. तुम्हें उसे समझाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You don't need to convince him. You don't need to convince him. तुम्हारी मनमर्जी नहीं चलेगी. Your willfulness will not run. Your willfulness will not run. तुमने किस डॉक्टर से दिखाया? Which doctor did you consult? Which doctor did you consult? कहाँ हो तुम? मैं तुम्हें हफ्ते भर से ढूंढ रहा हूँ. Where are you? I have been looking for you all week. Where are you? I have been looking for you all week. वह आजकल बहुत पढ़ाई कर रहा है. He has been studying hard recently. He has been studying hard recently. मैं दिन भर से चल रहा हूँ. मेरे पैर दुख रहे हैं. I have been walking all day. My feet are hurting. I have been walking all day. My feet are hurting. वह आजकल काम पर देरी से आ रहा है. He has been coming to work late recently. ढोंग करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need to pretend. There is no need to pretend. यहाँ से सीधे चले जाओ. Go straight from here. Go straight from here. और कुछ नहीं. Nothing else. और कुछ नहीं. Nothing else. Nothing else. मैंने किसी का क्या बिगाड़ा? What harm did I do to anyone? What harm did I do to anyone? इंसानियत नाम की भी कोई चीज होती है. There is something called humanity too. There is something called humanity too. इन सारी दुखों की जड़ मैं हूँ. I am the root cause of all this suffering. I am the root cause of all this suffering. जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ. Get dressed quickly. जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ. Get dressed quickly. इसका तो सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता. It's out of the question. It's out of the question. तुम्हारा शर्ट उल्टा लग रहा है. Your shirt is looking inside out. Your shirt is looking inside out. जल्दी क्या है उसे जाने दो. What's the hurry? Let him go. What's the hurry? Let him go. दूसरों की हंसी मत उड़ाओ. Don't make fun of others. Don't make fun of others. झूठ बोलना कोई तुमसे सीखे. One should learn lying from you. One should learn lying from you. ये लड़कियों वाले जूते हैं. These are girly shoes. These are girly shoes. तुम कुछ बोलते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you speak anything? Why don't you speak anything? खामखा तुमने मुझे डरा दिया. You scared me unnecessarily. You scared me unnecessarily. वह मेरा शुभचिंतक है. He is my well-wisher. He is my well-wisher. तुम मुझे खुलकर बता सकते हो. You can tell me frankly. You can tell me frankly. वह बोलने में बहुत अच्छा है. He is very good at speaking. He is very good at speaking. तुमसे मिलने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like meeting you. I feel like meeting you. क्या तुम्हें मुझसे जलन हो रही है? Are you getting jealous of me? Are you getting jealous of me? क्या तुमने कभी गलती नहीं की? Did you never make a mistake? Did you never make a mistake? मैं एक दिन छोड़कर कॉलेज जाता हूँ. I go to college on alternate days. I go to college on alternate days. उसके बाद भी तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो. Even after that you are lying. Even after that you are lying. मैं शर्त लगा सकता हूँ तुम जीतोगे. I can bet you will win. I can bet you will win. तुम कितनी बार वहाँ जाते हो? How often do you go there? How often do you go there? हम आमने सामने बैठे थे. We were sitting face to face. We were sitting face to face. वह बैठे बैठे सो रहा था. He was sleeping while sitting. He was sleeping while sitting. वह रोजी रोटी के लिए काम करता है. He works for bread and butter. He works for bread and butter. मुझे तिरछी नजरों से मत देखो. Don't give me a side look. Don't give me a side look. वह हमें छुप छुप कर देख रही है. She is taking a sneak peek at me. She is taking a sneak peek at me. वो किसी से भी मिलने से शर्माता है. He feels shy of meeting anyone. He feels shy of meeting anyone. तुम्हारा जो मन करे कर लो. Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. मुझे अकेले जाने में शर्म आती है. I feel shy of going alone. I feel shy of going alone. यह नोट फटा हुआ है. This note is torn. This note is torn. उसका प्रदर्शन उम्मीद के मुताबिक नहीं है. His performance is not up to the mark. His performance is not up to the mark. मेरा दोस्त गलत फहमी में है. My friend is in misconception. My friend is in misconception. वो मेरे पड़ोस में रहता है. He lives in my neighborhood. He lives in my neighborhood. वह बहुत शक्की मिजाज आदमी है। He is very suspicious man. He is very suspicious man. मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता हूँ। I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. वह बहुत चिड़चिड़ा है। He is very short-tempered man. He is very short-tempered man. वास्तव में उसने क्या कहा था? What did she actually say? What did she actually say? वह अभी भी गुस्से में है। He is still angry. He is still angry. क्या हम लोग अंदर आ सकते हैं? May we come inside? May we come inside? और उसको दुनियादारी की समझ नहीं है। And she don't yet understand the worldness. And she don't yet understand the worldness. अंग्रेजी बोलने का अपना ही मजा है। Speaking English has its own feel. Speaking English has its own feel. हम उसके भरोसे बैठ नहीं सकते। We can't depend on him to help. We can't depend on him to help. अपने फ़ोन को बार-बार चेक करना बंद करो। Stop checking your phone frequently. Stop checking your phone frequently. बिस्तर पर कपड़े मत फैलाओ। Don't spread clothes on the bed. Don't spread clothes on the bed. तुम तुरंत घर आ जाओ। You come home immediately. You come home immediately. मैं ये नहीं खाने वाला हूँ। I am not going to eat that. I am not going to eat that. मैं ये नहीं खाने वाला हूँ। I am not going to eat that. I am not going to eat that. मेरी वजह से उसने तुम्हें डांटा। Because of me, he scolded you. उसे रास्ते में ही होना चाहिए। She must be on the way. She must be on the way. खर्चे दिन ब दिन बढ़ते जा रहे हैं। The expenses are increasing day by day. The expenses are increasing day by day. आजकल मैं क्या सुन रहा हूँ? What am I listening to these days? What am I listening to these days? उससे बात करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है। It is no use talking to him. It is no use talking to him. सब वक्त वक्त की बात है। It is all about time. It is all about time. मैं दौलत का भूखा नहीं हूँ। I am not hungry for wealth. I am not hungry for wealth. तुम्हारी तो नाक बह रही है। You have a runny nose. You have a runny nose. ज़्यादा नखरे मत दिखाओ। Don't show tantrums so much. Don't show tantrums so much. मुझे अपनी अलमारी व्यवस्थित करने की ज़रूरत है। I need to organize my closet. I need to organize my closet. मैं सुबह उठने वाला व्यक्ति नहीं हूँ। I am not a morning person. I am not a morning person. मुझे अपना पासपोर्ट नवीनीकृत कराना है। I need to renew my passport. I need to renew my passport. मैं सप्ताहांत के लिए इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता। I can't wait for the weekend. I can't wait for the weekend. मैं स्वस्थ खाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। I am trying to eat healthier. I am trying to eat healthier. मुझे अपनी कार धोने की ज़रूरत है. I need to get my car washed. I need to get my car washed. मैं पुराने गानों का दीवाना हूँ. I am crazy about old songs. I am crazy about old songs. बाहर का खाना कम कर दो. Cut down on fast food. Cut down on fast food. इस तरह का आदमी बिल्कुल घमंडी होता है. Such a man is so much alike. Such a man is so much alike. पांचों उंगलियां बराबर नहीं होती. All are not alike. All are not alike. फोन को झुककर मत देखो. Don't slouch over the phone. Don't slouch over the phone. कोई भी चीज हमेशा के लिए नहीं होता. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. उसके दांत में कीड़ा लगा है. She has dental caries. She has dental caries. दूसरों का मजाक मत उड़ाओ. Don't troll others. दूसरों का मजाक मत उड़ाओ. Don't troll others. मुझे उकसाओ मत. Don't trigger me. मुझे उकसाओ मत. Don't trigger me. टहलते समय पैर जल्दी जल्दी बढ़ाओ. Quicken your steps while walking. Quicken your steps while walking. तुम्हें देर तक जागने की आदत हो गई है. You got used to staying up late. You got used to staying up late. मैं ये तुम्हारी ही भलाई के लिए कह रहा हूँ. I am saying this for your own good. I am saying this for your own good. तुम्हें तैयार होने में कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take you to get ready? How long will it take you to get ready? मुझे जागते रहने के लिए शायद और चाय पीनी पड़ेगी. In order to stay awake, I may have to take more tea. In order to stay awake, I may have to take more tea. हमें सड़क के नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए. We must follow the rules of road. मुझसे बातचीत करने के लिए क्यों नहीं आ जाती हो? Why don't you come talk to me? Why don't you come talk to me? तुम्हारी यहाँ सख्त ज़रूरत है. You are desperately needed here. You are desperately needed here. दुकानें बंद हो चुकी हैं. The shops must be closed. The shops must be closed. इस समय मार्केट जाने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. There is no point in going to the market this time. There is no point in going to the market this time. वहाँ अकेले जाना उसकी बेवकूफ़ी थी. It was stupid of him to go there alone. It was stupid of him to go there alone. दीपिका पार्टी में सबसे अलग दिख रही थी. Deepika was standing out in the party. Deepika was standing out in the party. वो एक अच्छे समाज सेवक हैं. He is a good social worker. Translate it. मुझसे बात मत करो. थैंक यू. वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें.